Today we are going to be recreating this particular image step by step. I'm going to show you how I build up this particular composition and what's the lighting setup like, all that jazz. So first things first, the product. In my case today I'm going to be using these Jim Jam biscuits. Always buy two, just in case you get hungry, you will get hungry, buy two. Now second, props. We're going to be using this wooden box to keep the product on. Then on top of this, to add a little bit more texture, we're going to be using this jute cloth. That's about it for the props. Now let's move on to the main point and the main thing that's gonna separate you from an amateur to a professional: lighting. Firstly, shut all the drapes so that there's no external light entering into the composition. Then I place my key light on the left hand side, pointing down towards the subject. Try to keep it as close as possible to the subject so that you are only focusing on that particular area. Also, it helps you out so that you don't have to increase your ISO. Overall, the quality just becomes more crisp and better, and it looks way more professional. So it looks good, but it can be better. I'm gonna take out my flash, put a creative gel, a pink creative gel in this case, on it, then put a sphere on top so that it evenly distributes the light and it just makes the light more softer. You can use it, it's optional, you can also not use it. Then place the flash just across the key light so that it creates that rim lighting effect on the product. And this is it. You can mess around with the subject, the props, and your camera angles. But this is the setup that I have created in order to create this picture. You can obviously move around with the subject, move around the camera, get some details, get some vibes. That's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and do subscribe if you like these kind of tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.